Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to talk about how can you watch Dolby Vision on your Netflix while using MacBook Air M1. So MacBook Air M1 natively supports HDR content, and if you have Apple TV software installed on it, you will be able to enjoy every video in Dolby Vision. But also if you don't have this, you will be still able to enjoy Netflix on 4K and Dolby Vision. Now how you can do this, I'm going to explain in this video very shortly. So before starting this video, let me introduce myself. So I am Vinay. I make many videos regarding technology and latest development around it. My vision is to enable all you guys a technology development and discussion of the latest technologies and areas and help you in a way that I can. So I am here making lot of videos regarding unboxing latest tech in mobile phones, smartphones, display technologies and all, and I really intend to do it either way. So in this video, if you are a owner of MacBook Air M1 that is 2020 edition and you have a Netflix account that has 4K subscription, I am going to show you how you can enjoy your Netflix on full DK Dolby Vision and 4K HDR. So in order to do that, you must have two things. You must have Safari browser installed on your MacBook Air, which is natively installed, and just open your Safari browser. While you open this browser, enter netflix.com and log in your details, and then you are ready to go. Whenever you try to watch any content that is natively available in Dolby Vision, it will directly play in Dolby Vision HDR without any issues. So you don't have to do anything extra. Just open the browser of Safari, open netflix.com and just watch your videos like you regularly do, and you will be able to enjoy every video in Dolby Vision. So this is very important thing. Another thing that you should keep in mind, that if you have Chrome browser and there you open Netflix, you won't be able to enjoy it. But if you have open Chrome browser and open YouTube, then you will be able to enjoy HDR videos, because YouTube on both browsers, whether it's Safari or Chrome, they both supports HDR video, so no issues there. But if you open Chrome browser and there you go for netflix.com, you won't be able to enjoy HDR content, because there it supports only HDR, that is standard dynamic range. But here on Safari browser it supports Dolby Vision on HDR. So let me just show you by stopping this video. And since I make this video on Google Chrome, so here I am going to show you how you can do this. Just open Safari browser, enter Netflix like this, and you are good to go. So any content that you choose from here will be Dolby Vision enabled. So here if I play this thing, it will be on Dolby Vision, and any content that I view from here, it will be available in Dolby Vision. So no need to worry about that. You are good to go. I cannot play the video because on screen recording it will not be supported by Netflix, because they have their own encryption and their own securities. But if you do that, you will be able to enjoy Dolby Vision content on Netflix on your MacBook Air. And if you want to see what are the resolution and what are the effects, let me show you this. So here I have opened this program and this is supported right now, and now I'm going to show you how you can configure it. So press Shift, Control, Option and D. Here you will be able to see stats for nerd for Netflix. Now let's go to the video track codec. Here you can see DVHE is the codec, and which is DV. So DV stands for Dolby Vision and HEVC means high efficiency video codec. So that's it now. So this is the proof that you can watch Netflix over here. And also if you want any other video from any other device, you will be able to enjoy it on Safari. But make sure it does not support on other apps like Amazon Prime Video now. Maybe it will be available in near future. So you will be able to enjoy directly your content on Dolby Vision. So that's it from my side, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share and subscribe my channel. Also share with as many people as possible, because I will be making these videos for you. So thank you for staying on my video. I'll be seeing you next time. Bye.